So hi guys, the last video I did concerning Sarah Martins and Yul Edochie with Judy Edochie saga. Yes, I'm coming back to that video right now, but guys, sorry if you have not watched the previous video. I'm just gonna run it down a little bit what that video was actually about. Okay, the last video which I posted before this very one you're watching was talking about a popular Nigerian actress, Sarah Martins, who always was speaking against Yul Edochie, the Yul Edochie's first wife. Yeah, she was just a typical example of when you say anti-me. Yes, anti-me is like a word that's, you know, that explains someone who doesn't like me and is trying to bring in crowd for people to help her and hate me and, you know, talk bad things about her, basically. So she was doing everything on internet. She went on internet, she does giveaway to people who don't like me. She, you know, she did so many things, and along the line rumors had it that she has a hand in trying to assassinate Yul Edochie's first daughter, the girl. So that was when she now came out to cry bitter tears with nose running down, you know, crying that she can never do such a thing, even if she hates me to that extent, that she has a child and she can never want another woman's child to be dead, basically. This is the same person that said when Yul Edochie's son, when May Edochie's son died, he said, "The arrow you are trying to send to my friend Judy went back to your son." This is the same person. So the internet had it that if you can say that, it means you can equally, you know, be an accomplice or whatever it is to do such to her daughter, which she actually debunked. So guys, when these things were going on, the thing about the matter is that Judy, which is the best friend of this girl, didn't come out to say anything, to talk anything. She was just relaxing. I'm sure she was enjoying that a bit of a time. Concentration is on another person and not her. I'm very sure. Yeah, she was enjoying that. So apparently, after that one, no, the next thing that made me to do this video, actually, because I was trying, this is, so trust me guys, this is the last video I'm going to bring up on this. This is going to be the last video. After this, they should just go and settle their wahala. It's not my business, because I know that they were best friends. They must have discussed a lot, they must have done a lot, and more things will come out. So after that, she met Rita Edochie at the airport and she apologized. Watch the video.
Look who I met at the airport this morning, Mama. Mama, you're so cute.
Thank you so much.
So I met Mama this morning at the airport, and oh my goodness, usually when I hug that, God, Mama, I'm still saying I'm so sorry for everything. It will never happen again.
Thank you.
I am truly repentant, and I'm happy to be a good girl now. Going forward.
I can only advise you once more. I'm happy all you said. I'm happy you said you're really sorry. Seeing you live for the very first time, I am happy as well. And the way you hugged me showed that you really used your real heart to say I am sorry. So I'm talking to the whole world. She's really repentant. She's really sorry over what she did. And I advise, if you're still supporting evil, stop. So I still talk to the whole world. What she did was wrong, and she's really repentant. She says she's sorry. The way she hugged me and all that shows that she is pretty sorry. And because she's pretty sorry, I asked the whole world, please join me and forgive her. Join me and forgive her. She's not ready to do that again. I told her, joining evil is a very bad thing. Joining evil is a very bad thing. God will not forgive you now, but she's repentant, so let's forgive her. She said she will not support Judy again, so let's go. And
I love you.
I love you more.
So guys, you've watched the video, how she apologized, what Rita Edochie said, and everything that went around it. I think she actually did something smart. She also has families who advise her, and she also was a smart girl by adhering to their advices. Because trust me, you're following somebody to fight battle that you don't know about. Okay, this family battle is very deep. you went to go and put yourself in between because you want to share. I don't even know what you're sharing. I don't know, but it's just very wrong. So she actually did a very nice thing by approaching Rita Edochie at the airport where she met her. And according to Rita, you saw in the video, it's her first time of meeting the girl face to face. Okay, after that, we, the social media lawyers, we knew that there will be Bege after that. And Bege came. Bege came. After that, Yul Edochie and Judy Edochie blocked her. So let me explain it very well. Judy Edochie, the best friend to actress Sarah Martins, who actress Sarah Martins has been taking bullet for, blocked her after she apologized, after she met Rita Edochie at the airport and apologized. And after that, Yul Edochie also blocked her. Apparently, I think this lady must have, maybe she has this Yul Edochie's all his password. I don't know, because the way the thing used to come in line in accordance, it looks like when she log in this one, she will do her work. She will log out and log in again and do her work. But the root of the matter is that she blocked her. So now, after she blocked her, oh my god, the girl comes online though that love is winning. Even though you blocked me, you cannot stop my shine. You block me, but you cannot stop my shine. Look who I met. Okay, you cannot stop my shine. You block me, you no block me, you cannot stop my shine. She also says she has learned the hard way, but she moves on. But please, she should return her 1 million naira. So now we are hearing that Judy Edochie is owing her 1 million naira from her Sarah Place Empire. This is basically the business she has. Judy Edochie must have borrowed money from her, and she said, look at somebody that is blocking me and is owing me, that she doesn't understand it. Please pay me back my money and continue with your blocking saga. Okay, it's not my business that you're blocking me, but please pay me back my money. So according to the online in-laws and the online people like us, or like us that used to bring the source to you, we called it season 1 of the saga, because we know that as much as they were best friends, more secrets are going to come out, which we are just sitting down, relaxing and waiting to hear the secret that will fly up and down. Like we are sitting down and waiting to hear. But I don't know, I don't just know, but we don't even care at this moment, because people believe that May, the god of May, is working in favor with her. And I think Rita Edochie, I must say something. If we all know this evangelist Chukwuebuka Obi, I've seen Rita Edochie on his channel, maybe on a Sunday, or maybe they sang together. So I'm very sure that that man must have spoken something concerning Judy, because that woman was always coming to her channel to say the real facts about Judy. She said, you went to Babalawo to hold the son, to hold Yul Edochie. One day Jazz will come up from his side. There are some things he used to spill out. So I feel maybe he must have heard from the man of God that deal with I. But see, apparently you deal with I, deal with I. Who started it? You started the relationship, and the lady now refused to go by going to Babalawo. So it's still your fault. You made the step, you made the move, you had the lust, you loved her, you started doing something with her. She now wanted it to go to another level. So what are you saying? It's still you who did it. So I had this knowledge of thing that they'll come and be blaming somebody that used jazz to hold somebody, or somebody that used jazz to hold the man, or somebody used jazz to make the man start loving her. Who instigated it? 90% you instigated it. The woman ate the Adam apple, fell in love, and don't want to live again. Some of them go to very, very large extreme just to keep that relationship going. So at the end of the day, there was jazz inside this, 100% understood, but you started this, so you are the cause of everything. So the blame is still on you. So guys, this is apparently the video. I think this is why we're ending this video right now. And just see, it's just very saddening how Sarah Martins has been taking bullets for this lady since this Yul Edochie, May Edochie second wife saga thing started. She has stood by her friend in thick and thin, and just this small thing that happened, Judy Edochie just blocked her. That is to show you an example of a bad friend. Why couldn't she stand with her in this period? Even come out to debunk that she can never, that Sarah she knows can never put hand in killing anybody. You know, she didn't say anything because she talks like basket. She talks like basket match. She can talk, so she could have at least come out to do a 5 minutes video relating that to us. She didn't do any of them. What she can do after the girl Kukuma say make she come on her hand from there, she get pikino, she get make they not carry and put for sale. Nobody, even Judy said, not even take care of her child. You now blocked her. Typical example of a bad friend. But everything I say to Sarah, everything can be that it worked in your favor actually, because sometimes we have bad friends. We don't know we have bad friends. Sometimes we have friends who cannot sacrifice as much as we're sacrificing for them. You don't know that till when something happens, your eye go open. And we pray that something that happens will not be something that is big enough to even, you know, to bring us down or something like that. Let it be a sign that is moderate but full of understanding, so we can make our step sharp, you know, move sharp. So guys, thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, because when you do that, YouTube shares it to, you know, wider range of people. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.